Okay, so this is a Detroit engine. We're going to install the front crankshaft seal. So I've got the seal on here. I'm just going to work it in, and I'll explain a few things here in just a second. We're going to push in as far as we can with our hand. Okay, looks like that's as far as it wants to go. This is the crankshaft here. This piece bolts on with these two guided studs. This has a threaded bolt here. These go into where the harmonic balancer bolts in. So we bolt this in, make sure it's tight. It's a 1/2 inch wrench. Just make sure they're tight. This tool up because it got a little rusted. So this thing, if I can get it to where I can show you. Alright, we're back. Sorry, I had to give her a little persuasion. Persuade against, watch your ears. Butts up to the seal and pushes it on equally all the way around. And we've got this bearing that goes on this threaded part here. It's got a little groove that fits in, but you got to make sure that the washer, you got to make sure this bearing is on this surface, because this has a cap on it where the nut rides. So this outer part, see how it spins? This has to be on this surface so it'll spin, so it doesn't gall up. Okay, now we're back. The seal's starting to go in. I used the impact to hurry it up, which really, as long as you don't go fast and you go slow, and don't create a bunch of heat on that nut and bolt, then it won't gall up, and as long as it's lubricated or anti-seized or something on there, as long as it's just not dry, then it'll be all right. So some people frown on doing that, but You just got to know limitations of your tools and what you can and can't do. So we got it on there, and now we're just going to go the rest of the way with the ratchet. And I believe this tool, you bottom it out. Then you know the seal is set in place. Lubricate the outer rubber of the seal with